Welcome back to the channel. My name is Andrew. In this one, we're going through this apartment that has been divided into two apartments. The current owner has it as a rental. Both apartments are as rentals. This is the first unit and the bigger one. The total size of this apartment is 140 meters squared, but it was divided. So this one down here is the bigger unit. This one is 80 meters squared. It's got 1 bedroom, 2 bath. As you can see, there was a kitchen. You've got the bedroom here, big enough for a king-size bed. This is a perfect apartment for someone that wants to have a unit where they live in and maybe rent out the other one. Currently, the owner is making $800 per month on this bottom unit. And then on the next unit, which is a smaller unit, it's $600 a month. This one is listed at 176,000 US dollars. It is perfect, again, to put on Airbnb as a monthly rental. And you could put both of them up if you wanted to. But a lot of people have been asking us for any units where you can buy one and rent the other, you know, that have like maybe a duplex, and this is exactly that. It's got 2 units in one. It's and here, as you can see, this unit's awesome. This is probably the one that I would put on Airbnb because it has this terrace up here. If you put a jacuzzi up here, if you made it look really awesome, you could get more than $800 a month for this. And this is located in Laureles, in a perfect location. You want to stick until the end here so that I can show you on the map exactly where it's located, but it's near the second park, and you'll notice here that where that is in a minute. But yeah, this is the little terrace here. This is awesome. The one caveat is that this is a 3-floor walk-up, meaning that there is no elevator. It's on the 3rd floor, but that shouldn't be a problem. It's only three flights. So this is the second unit. It's a separate entrance right next. They're adjacent to each other, and this is the one that is smaller. This one's 60 meters squared. It's 1 bedroom, 1 bath. The other one had 2 baths. This one does have a little balcony here, which is pretty cool. I mean, it's big enough to put a barbecue out there, maybe a table. And here's the neighborhood there. As you can see, it's the other view, or the front view of the neighborhood here. This is the kitchen area over here. It's got a little table there. And you've got the living room area here. You've got enough space to either live in it or put it up as a rental as well. I mean, you could live in one and rent the other one. This is the bedroom here. And I believe this is a queen-size bed. It's got the high ceilings, which makes it look a little bigger, but a lot of potential here. And here's the bathroom / laundry area. You've got the washer dryer there. Yeah, you've got a good amount of space to work with. And if you wanted to, you could make it again into one just big unit if you wanted it. But I think it's perfect the way it is. Now let's go take a look at the location on the map. Okay, we're here at our website, MedellinLivingRealEstate.com. This is the listing page. Here's the asking price here in Colombian pesos. That will never change. It's always the same. 675 million Colombian pesos. At today's exchange rate, it's about 176,000 US dollars. All of the info is here, and if you scroll all the way down, you've got the map area here, and this is Laureles. As you can see, you've got the Segundo Parque here, the second park, and the first park. So you're walking distance from both along Avenida 37 or Transversal 39D, which goes across here. You've got 74th A right here, and you also have Carrera 80, and you've got 33rd Street over here, which again, all of these are major streets. Let's take a look at where this is located exactly on Google Maps. Okay, so here we're on the ground view, and as you can see, you've got your ice cream man there, and this is the apartment building here. Now I'm going to scroll back out. So as we scroll out here, we can see it's over here, and we're going to scroll out, and here's the park. So if you wanted to walk to the park, it is about a 2-minute car ride or a 6-minute walk to Segundo Parque. and probably a 10-minute walk to Primer Parque over here. Yeah, about 14-minute walk altogether. So it's very easy to get around, obviously, because it's all flat. Perfect location. Let me know in the comments what you think of this location. Is this the type of apartment that you would rent out? Would you live in one of the units? That being said, if you like this apartment, or maybe you're looking for something completely different, or maybe you found something on someone else's website but you want us to help you, all you got to do is click the link in the description below, fill out the form, and somebody on the team will get back to you as soon as possible. We'll see you guys in the next video.